So you know that the invitation to my parents' fine range is still open, right?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna go get the tickets.
Okay. Hey, Richard! I think I found the...
What?
tickets. Never mind, keep looking!
Bless you.
Hey, hi. I was just wondering, I think I found... Wow, you look nice. Was there something that you wanted to tell me?
No.
No. Real... Okay.
You should just go downstairs. You should go downstairs now. Please.
Okay, fine.
Lisa, just
No.
go.
Are you serious? We weren't even going to discuss this? I mean, I like surprises, but Richard, and you have to be so rude with all the whole go downstairs thing. You're not inconsiderate, and I know that you have trouble expressing yourself. But this really is too far. Bless you. What the hell? Get it, bitch!
Baby gun. Baby gun. Baby gun. Take this.
Okay.
He's got the ring.
God,
Window.
go! Hey, asshole!
Give me the ring!
Nice shot.
Not bad yourself. You okay?
Yeah. Kicked his ass.
Nice ring.
Ah, yeah. Thanks. Bless you.